Lorwin in the evening.
Evening.
Like, yesterday while we discussed, you deliberate. I'll put in a note maybe today or tomorrow. Like, planning to move this Ask Lorwin at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. so that we have more participants. See, we are spending 1 hour and it should be really useful at least to about 50 to 60 participants. It should not be like, 5, 6, 7, 8. And most of you are senior. For example, Joseph. I understand Mr. Usmani, Balwanji, Ravinder, at least Harun to an extent. Sudhakar, Joseph, they're all, seniors in the system for a longer time. So we need to have more. See, we need to keep it at least for a month. All the new joinees, they come learn about the user, vendor, UPOS, level 1, level 2, and then let them start, doing on their own. But right now, what is happening is very less in the sense, we have a blend of both new and old. So at times, what happens, we are not able to. It is like, just to give a simple example, somebody joining, first standard, he cannot be given a 10 standard syllabus. Somebody who is already in 10 standard, if I start talking about, pre-KG or a first standard syllabus, it will not be interesting for them. So we are trying to categorize. That's the whole purpose of Ask Lorwin. But, a kind of the effective utilization is not up to the mark is what I observed. So you all decide. We can have it at 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday, or you want in alternate days or a month, and then, we can take on. You all decide, and then, we will take on. So I see another 2 more getting added in. Who's that? So congratulations to Harun Pasha. He is qualified, for the share. Congrats. Yesterday,
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
Harun.
Kera, sir. Oh, very good. Very
Yeah.
good.
So those are all the effects of even Target 51. Of course, he was very active in most of the things. Physical meeting is there. WOWs and Zooms is there. Ask Lorwin is there. He has got a good team. So when somebody of that caliber coming in, we also have an option of promoting him as an ACP. I think others mute the mic, please. Abdul Mannan, you need to mute the mic, please. Abdul Mannan need to mute the mic. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell is we would have such caliber when you become a shareholder Gogiera. You can also be promoted as an ACP, like what Mr. Ashok. Or when you even do well as an ACP, you can get promoted as a CP, like what Joseph has done. So growth path is not a constraint in global government. It is all that we need to do is deliver and take it up. Okay, that's the whole idea. And a lot of advantages are there when you grow. Of course, one disadvantage is, let's say you as a partner did X amount of UPOS. It will be a new chapter for you when you start as an ACP. But the income will be more. You know that income slab, as an ACP will be added. So that is what it is. Those of you who are keen, interested in knowing more about it, you can discuss with me. Okay, then we will have a separate session. This I do not want to be discussing in Ask Lorwin. Okay, one quick question, like yesterday participants, did we try out any of the promo? Was there any response? Another objection, if there is anything? I told you we will create a promo in our name and put it in our Facebook or a WhatsApp status or whatever. In yours or in your family. How many of you tried? Yajana try Madidri in a response banta. Because unless and until we implement whatever I'm telling, it's of no point just spending 1 hour, no? In fact, I need to cut short one of the meeting where I'll show you the screen. In fact, just to give you, there is a, I've taken few screenshots of it. You see, this is the discussion I just had. Are you able to see? Are you able to see? John, Tanuma, Mr. Vikas? Are you able to see? So this is the meeting, what time I had? 10:48 I'm having today. I'm cutting short of that and rushing it. For me, Ask Lorwin is important. Now, if the participants are not showing interest, see what time I have started the meeting. There are a lot of discussion we had, and it's all going to be very useful for us. Okay, so we started with one meeting and we continued with the other. Okay, so it's not that easy. See, this is the meeting where I started at 10 o'clock. Doctor and our team, and then it continued for another, and then where Mr. Vikas ji joined, Mr. Hemant joined. There's a lot of big team. So many things we are doing. Okay, keep that in mind. And I'm skipping all of that and joining for Ask Lorwin. Not only my time, all of your time is important. So either we take it up minimum 35 to 40 participants, or probably we need to give a break. So you all need to decide. I don't mind shifting the time, whatever the time, because we are more than 560 UPOS owners in GG. So you bring your vendors, you bring your partners, you bring your teammates, however, it's yours. So now I'm moving on with our UPOS earning. Okay, what is the highest earning that here UPOS has earned? Joseph, what is your UPOS earning? Joseph, UPOS earning?
It's about 1,400, so 1,300 rather.
That's all your UPOS earning is?
Yeah, yes, sir. You only that much. In spite of all my thing, you is that much only this. Maybe the thing items I have to go into other thing which give a higher commission.
Higher margins, yes.
Yeah, higher margins. I've not gone into that. Still,
okay. That's a very, very important thing. See, like seniors who have been in the system for about a year, we are talking about an earning of 1,000, 2,000. But at the same time, there are people who just joined, are able to get about 60,000, 1 lakh and more. I think in one of my UPOS session, Power of UPOS, I have showed it. I don't know if you were part of that session. I did it for Team Karnataka. So we need to pick and choose what we need to be done. And for that, you need to have a strong customer base. See, today's session is in continuation of yesterday. ನನಗೆ UPOS earning ಬೇಕು, UPOS ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, but I have not added one single customer. I cannot earn. The more number of customers I have, the more number of education that I do to them, give them a promo, trading happens. Okay, it is up to us. Maybe, in an Excel, I will just tell, okay, this is something, what I keep presenting to our teams, but that is not the intention of today's session. But however, I'll show you. What Mr. Joseph and couple of them we are doing currently is the first method. Okay, I'll tell you what is it. It's not a pointing finger or anything. I'm just telling this is what we have been treating this UPOS for. Ideal earning is what I would have put in. Yes. Okay, so we use our UPOS for in terms of recharges and best shopping website and most of that on only. Where is it? UPOS earning ideal. Yes. So is my Excel open for you guys? Yeah. So let's say we as a UPOS owners, what we do is we do a lot of customer adding and we focus more on.
We are not getting the sharing, sir.
Is it? Is
it can't see the screen. No, sir, not sir.
Sorry. Okay, how about now?
Yeah, now it's okay.
So most of the time what we are doing, like the typical case, I'm not pointing to anybody, most including me. When we started, Global Gardener did not have lot of new concepts. But today things are really changed. But still, whatever my grandfather did, my father did, if I continue to do, today I cannot survive in this world. Are we able to understand? Today, my grandfather never knew what is WhatsApp. He never might have used an internet. He never even touched a laptop. My father maybe a little computer and systems. But today, my 5-year-old, 6-year-old, or my son who is, 9-year-old, he is an expert into, Zooms or, online. So like that, we need to change. When we started Global Gardener, we did not have so many vendors. We never had a concept of Premier. We never had a GG store. We never had insurance and a lot of brands. Today, things are transformed. Okay. So this is what you and me did in the beginning. Why I'm educating to our new team UPOS owners also, don't do that mistake. For example, utility bills alone, recharge, current bill, Wi-Fi, that's all we did. Okay. So, and what is the commission you're getting? Just 0.3. 60 lakhs new trading madidre kuda 1,800 is your earning. Meha brands to try and experience. Okay, Graphers, Big Basket. Okay, Spar, Big Bazaar, Reliance. What do they give? 0.5%. Best shopping website also 0.5 and 1% only. I am not telling we should not do. So, iga kashta pattu 100 customer, all that we did, 10 lakh trading we are done. Typical example of Mr. Joseph or a John or the oldies I'm talking. Wow, I've done a trading of 10 lakhs. What did I earn? Just 4,800. What I'm telling is we should distribute it. The distribution should be 20% each. You'll notice there you have seen 60%, and what you do, recharge has not happened, convenience charge you paid, lot of clarifications, you get exhausted because 3% extra customer need to pay for utility bill. Convincing him, giving him an explanation, Bunny, we are in a request mode, come do it. And by the time you finish the 10 lakh, you're finished, you're exhausted, and you don't feel like doing any trading. This is what has been happening all this while. I am telling we should move not to this, the next one I'm going to show. At least ideally, we need to give an equal importance. Utility bills, your time. I'm not talking about the value or a trading or a number of customers. Your time spent on utility bills, mega brands, best shopping website. At least you need to give an equal importance. GG store, who's a local vendor, 4%, 5%, GG coin can be redeemed. Special vendor, what we call it a premium vendor. At that time we were trying to have it as a special vendor. Premium vendors, 20%, we need to concentrate also, 10% commission what they give. GG store or a GG mall, GG local vendors give 3%. I've taken a conservative. Friends, you have a look, 80% of your business you are done. Still, you get only 7,600. Just 20% on premium vendor, you will get 20,000. That's what I put in 80-20. You need to be smart. You put in your 100% of your time on utility, mega brand, best shopping website, just earn 4,800. You take out little time, identify premium vendor, real estate, solar, insurance, okay, all that, or Arrow. In mega brand only, you have got good brands. Best shopping website only, you have very good brands who pay 5%, 6%, 20%. You as a UPOS owner, let's say you have got a shop. You sell one product, then you are getting 1 rupee margin. Same product, different brand, different medicine, different kind, you're getting 5%. As a shopkeeper, which one will you promote? All of us understood that we promote that 5% commission. No. I want to be very good to customer. I want to be ethical. I will still promote that 1 rupee commission. Its choice is yours. We are not telling there is a difference. Same product, brand is different, company is different. That's all. So premium vendors, we need to start doing it. It could be insurance. It could be a solar kind. Premium vendors, photography, marriage. I'll show you that presentation also. So you simply focus a little more time on premium vendor. You are guiding your user. Boss, this marriage you are going to, this photography, you go. I'll suggest you something. Why don't you? This particular all I can. This jewelry I can. This solar I can. Like that, 10 premium vendors you need to be in your fingertips. For example, batteries. Ashok changed a battery. He could have walked down to JC Road and taken a battery. He's taking it could be 3,000, 5,000, whatever it is. 5,000, you go and pick up the same battery in JC Road, SP Road, 5,000, maybe 100 rupee, maybe lesser. I'm giving an example. Today, you're taking it from, a premium vendor. 5,000 means you're getting 500 rupees. You refer 10 such customers, 500 to 10 is 5,000. And that can happen within a week or two. Let's say you've got, living in an apartment, you've got a group. So that promotion is what I'm telling, which we are not doing. And end of the month, end of the year, somebody asks you, okay, XYZ, sir, 1 year you got a UPOS. Yes, earn madidira. 2,000, 3,000. They will say, no, why the hell should I buy? But what are we promoting? You can earn in 2 lakhs, you can earn in 3 lakhs, you can earn 10 crore, what and all we are telling. So that change, why I'm talking in this tone is, whatever I refer, I do, you need to implement it. I know there will be some kind of a small support issues. That is there. Like you are going on the road, it's rainy time, you have a pothole, you have a speed breaker, the roads are broken, there could be an accident, there will be a traffic jam. We don't come back home. No, we proceed. Problems, issues, support issues will be there. Certain dissatisfaction, you bring it to my notice. We are directly connected to the senior team, Mr. Devraj or the HO team, we can rectify. You find a hole, you find a speed breaker, we don't come back. We cross that and keep moving. No, one speed break bantu, I cannot go further. One pothole is there, I don't want to go to my office. We don't come back. If a pothole is there, you take a deviation and go. Traffic jam is there, you take another road and keep moving. Likewise, if you really want to earn in UPOS, you need to overcome all these small hurdles. You start the first transaction with the utility bill for him to experience, for him to build a confidence on Mega Brand and Best Shopping. Not only local, we have big brands, but don't live with it. Move on to the local vendors and premium vendor. If you want to earn in your UPOS, same 10 lakh, now you are earning 27,600 rupees. Choice is yours. But that is not what I want to promote. I am promoting the next one. Ideally, this is your time. I'm not talking about the trading value, your time. ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮೆಗಾ ಬ್ರಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್, finished. So your entire time, let's say you're spending in a month 10 hours. I'm giving an example. Your 3 hours should be only for utility and Mega Brand and Best Shopping. Remaining 7 hours we should be promoting on this. I would say 4 hours on premium vendors, 3 hours on your GG stores. Now what will happen? You see the change? It is up to you to earn 47,800 or still sticking on utility bill, Mega Brand, Best Shopping website, Amazon, Flipkart, Grofers, Big Basket. I'm not against it. Do it. That you need to do it only to get an interest. After that, you need to move on to where you get paid. 50,000. Simply same value. In fact, the tickets will be lesser. Here, if you need to do a recharge of 10 lakhs, average ticket size is how much? I'm talking about even 5,000. You need to service 200 customers. Here, your high ticket premium value, solar and all, 45 lakhs is one deal. 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 2 lakhs, Starboat, minimum will be 2 to 3 lakhs. I am taking 1 lakh trading. You simply need to service 10 customers. ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 200 ಜನ ಹತ್ರ ಒದ್ದಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಬರೀ ಕೇವಲ 10 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡು ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ Mega Brand. Do it. Train them, teach them, leave it. Only a call away. Don't spend too much time. You need to start spending time educating, identifying the right customer, insurance, solar, batteries, premium vendors, you know. I'll show you that list as well. 10 customers. 40 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 40,000, 10 cases ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 40,000 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂತು. Are we able to understand? Did I clarify what should be our approach? Any questions? Is it difficult? We need to change the pattern. We are trying to go in first gear only. From Bangalore, you want to go to Chennai. But first gear will now start ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. No. Till I go to Chennai, I'll be going in first gear. Will any one of us do that? Will we do it? First gear is very important. We are not denying. That is only for you to move the vehicle. Immediately you shift to second gear. Within seconds, 30 seconds, you move to third gear. You go to fourth and top gear. Now we are still wanting to travel from Bangalore to Chennai only in first gear because that helped us to start the vehicle. We need to shift gears, please. We need to shift gears. Only then you will be able to show your UPOS. I earned 1 lakh, I earned 2 lakhs, I earned 10,000, 20,000 in one transaction. And then you can start multiplying it. Otherwise, we will be the same. You will be putting money, buying UPOS. You are not earning. You can't multiply. You cannot grow exponentially. Are we able to understand? Is it sounding tough? What is it? Can we do it? Can we at least do one premium vendor transaction before end of Diwali? One premium vendor transaction. Photography, it could be. I'll give you the list. What and all the premium vendors are there. Can we? I want you to talk, please. We have our premium vendor. Muthu only is there. Sugar knocker. There are thousands of people in our neighborhood who are diabetic. Correct? I'm giving. He's one of our premium vendor. He's with us today. Why not we promote? Why not we refer that to our family? Continue to do what we have been doing. Our earning will be 500,000. And after 5 years, we will tell, oh, 5 ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು UPOS ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm a UPOS owner. ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ earn ಮಾಡಿದೆ? 20,000, 10,000. It should be one transaction, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. We have a choice. Okay. You have a choice of going from here to Delhi by flight. It might look formality procedure. You reach in 1.5 hours. No, I want to go by walk, or I want to go by my cycle. I want to go by my two-wheeler. Choice is yours. It will take 1 week. So your destination is to earn, do a trading in UPOS means you need to be smart. And Don't we have a person one who is or a digital magazine? We have got honey, we have got grocery. I'll open the this one and then tell you what is a premium vendor. And I was just going through certain promos. Okay, I'll just as I was doing a meeting, I was preparing for one meeting. I went through certain promos. I'll show you what and all promos are available, and the meetings are also available. Is my screen visible? One sec.
No, sir.
How many of us are confident of doing one this one within this Diwali? One premium vendor, I want a transaction. Sweets also. Why I'm telling now? See, friends, is my screen visible? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Arrow shirt, nobody will say no. They are not a premium vendor. They give 9% commission. Why don't you put this promo in your Facebook or in this one? Arrow, formal 50% off, 100% GG coin. You go to the Arrow, this one, you will see 9% they're giving a commission, 3% they're giving a commission, 2% they're giving a commission. Instead of sticking on with 0.3 recharge or something that giving us 0.5%, lifelong we cannot be. We need to move to the next. These are the promos, okay? You see, there is some noise. Somebody is making a noise. You need to mute it, please. See, authentic Ayurvedic. Like this, you have in a GG mall. I'll ask Suresh B. You need to mute your mic, please. Glaze, we are talking about. This is for Diwali sweets. Premium vendors are there for sweets. All of us are going to buy sweets. We are going to gift it. Instead of walking out of the house, do a plan now only. 13th we have nearly 20 days. You identify who is the premium vendor in our locality. Sweet shop, no premium vendor. You onboard him as a premium vendor. Worst scenario, ask him to give 5% commission. No. And you tell, I'll give 100 kg order. You talk to your apartment. Who's stopping you? See, friends, where there is a will, there is a way. We want to earn, but we don't want to do anything. Okay. See, Glaze is our own product, white labeling. This is the product. Okay. 10% commission going to be. You see here, Helios, you search in your commission, it's a watches. People buy gifts. These are all available. The trainings on insurance. How many of you were part of this insurance? Insurance gives 5% to 20% commission. I know two-wheelers, people are not showing much interest is what I'm given to understand. Yesterday also Mr. Vismani spoke. Two-wheelers probably there is no proper tie-up. But rest of the things, it could be the life, general or car. I've seen people doing it within 24 hours, 48 hours, maximum. But that is one of the road hump. What Mr. Husmani underwent is a road hump. My apologies, but still, I spoke to Anil. He is Anil. Amit is there and Sanjay Kapoor is there. Senior people are there. I'll share those. If somebody is not responding 4 to 1 hour, 24 hours, one day, we can escalate. Now you see lifestyle. This is how you can attract. Not for your current bill, not for your thing you need to be promoting. See the brands. It's all readily available. TV, people wanted to buy during Diwali, Christmas. I think from now, Dashara, Diwali, you have Christmas, New Year, Shankaranti, lot of festival season. It is up to you to promote. Real estate, people who wanted to. Even if you get 2% commission in real estate, 1 crore, 50 lakhs, big money, no? Why would my UPOS be sitting with 1,500 or 2,000 or 3,000, 5,000? One transaction I do a real estate, I get 20,000, 15,000. Okay. See, let's grow together. That is, Dr. Tanu is there. UPOS, digital mall, we are promoting people who can sell. Okay. There are trainings even on vendor. Why I am doing this? WOW is there. Now, what I'm trying to do is, I am trying to showcase you what is readily available. We need to start promoting. Now, the next thing what I'm going to do is, I'm going to log into my UPOS. Is my screen visible?
No, sir.
Is my screen visible?
No, no.
No, sir, no.
I don't know why it just goes off suddenly. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm getting into my UPOS web dashboard. Now, I'm going into commission, premium vendor. Okay. Now you see, you do a search. Okay. You are talking about a sweet. You see here, sweets are available. Janta sweet, Malgudi Janta Sweet is in Karnataka. You call this guy and tell, what is that? Why don't you feel a thing 10% commission? Anyway, we are going to buy a sweet. He's giving very good. And like these sweets are there. You speak to these guys, or if you want, I'll find out. You tell me, John Avre, you strike a deal with the sweet shop, or there is a very good sweet confectionery thing next to my house. I'm not able to convince him. Why don't you speak? Come up with all that. See, unless and until either you decide on where you want to buy, which is a premium vendor already, or where you are buying, convert him as a premium vendor or a vendor with GG. Choice is yours. That is where your UPOS will start earning. We cannot wait for Tanu ma'am or Mr. Vikas to do everything. No, we are business owners. UPOS is not something what we took it just as a software or put it in a mobile. No, it requires little bit of a work. At least 1 hour a week, 2 hours a week, 8 to 10 hours a month. In that, now Diwali is coming. See, sweet I put in. Then we are talking about clothing. You see the number of things in terms of, you will see too much of a Tamil Nadu. Yes. Why don't you onboard one in Karnataka? You're talking about people going for the food. See the number of, see, yes, Mastermind Enterprise, Durga, see here, agro. So many things related to food. Vasudha Honey, the category I'm talking about. Why not we do all this? Make use of all this. See, unless and until we do, we will not be able to get on to. So I just want to hear from you. Madak Agata, what is the challenge? Maybe. Okay. Madak Agata, what is that?
Possible, sir.
No, do we need some special training on it? I'm ready to support. I'm ready to support. There are more than 300 premium vendors are there. More than 300 premium vendors are there, and we can add lot more also. If you really wanted to, we need to. New ones, Usmani ji or Mr. Balwan.
Tomorrow I'll talk to things, sir. We can try to arrange with Sharu restaurant, Kumarakom also.
That is exactly one you can do it.
I'll do that tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow.
And
Because she was away. She just came a week back.
yes,
I've been seeing her, but I've never spoke to her. Tomorrow I'll talk to her.
get that, and you tell that. Or see, I'm not telling everybody need to become a premium vendor. Even sorry, what is talking there? Yeah. Somebody is disturbing. Joseph, you can mute your mic. Mic. Okay. So, okay. So I muted all. Okay. Actually, today I wanted to take you through the importance of a premium vendor. And this is the presentation what I gave it in Target 51. Anybody was here from Target 51 last batch? Is my screen visible? I'll just quickly run through. What is the, see, UPOS is, Harun was there. UPOS is directly connected with the UPOS earning and premium vendor. Premium vendor introduced only to increase UPOS earnings. It is like each of this I would run through. Now, most of the time, this is what is happening. One blind person touching only a rope, touching only a utility bill, touching only a best shopping website. He thinks UPOS is like a rope. Another person touching, one place like his body, he thinks it's a wall. Touching the ear, the person thinks it's like a fan. Like a spear, he thinks it's like a, rod, or it is like a snake, the trunk, or it is like a tree leg. This is what we have been doing. We are only experiencing best shopping website, mega brand a little, utility a little, that's all. We are not experiencing the entire power of UPOS, not the experiencing the power of Global Gardener. This is what is happening. This is just like a wall. What do I get out of the UPOS? I'm getting, I've done so much, nobody is coming. So we need to understand the entire thing. That's why we have training sessions like this and start executing it. Okay. Now, we can contribute to the local economy of India. We can even change the GDP of India. That is the power Global Gardener has given you and me through this ecosystem and UPOS. We need to realize and understand that. When we improve the local economy, increase the GDP of an India, all of us will be earning tenfolds. This is through GG. Okay, of course. That is the power of leadership, the power of UPOS. Now, you have a choice. This is exactly what I'm talking about. In fact, this is the presentation what I want. But just because there was another question, I just related to. What will add more money? Electricity bills, online brands, mega brands. You want to have a more earning in UPOS. What do we need to focus? Only focusing on electricity bill or utility bill will not add money. That may add customers. Step one, that is online brands to give him that trust. Yes, not only global governor means yes, Reliance is there, Big Bazaar is there, Flipkart is there, Myntra is there, all that. Mega brands, you know, local vendors to an extent, but very important is premium vendor. Okay, premium vendor is where it is going to be giving us an option where we can add money into our digital mall, into our wallet. If this is not done, our earning will be there, but not to tune what we wanted. I plan, I need to have 50,000 earned in my UPOS this month. If I focus even every day on electricity bill, I can't earn. Every day do an online brands also, there are 1 or 2 giving 20%, 30%. But premium vendor, everybody is giving 10%. We need to be looking at what is the basic requirement of anybody, any vendor. They need sales, business marketing, customer base they need. I'll run through this. These are all the challenges, or what is the requirement of any shop guy, any vendor, product and service. They want more customers. They want the product to be sold at the best price, good margin. See, that's contradicting. You giving it at the best price, you can't have a more margin. Walk-in customer should be there. A digital platform, you need to establish a market value. You should be the monopoly. Let's say I have a shop in Carmel Ram. I should be, anybody coming to that place should say, yeah, go to Joseph's shop. He's the best, like that doing. But what are the challenges faced by a vendor? He need not have a website. He's spending more money. Online websites have, taken over the control of local vendors like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. They broke the economy of local vendors. They cannot afford to go digital. They feel it's too technical. Cost is there, time is there, knowledge illa. Next, branding. You cannot have the brand value compared to those big brands, giant brands. These are all the problems of a local vendors and small vendors. They can't give a discounts. They can't have their own gift vouchers. They can't have Sodexo passes type gift cards. If they try to give a discount, their margin decreases. Are we able to understand? Next, no return policy. They cannot have a return policy. Okay. And they cannot have a proper systematic sale approach or a retention. They don't have experienced sales team. Okay. Now, business expansion is time consuming. I have a shop in Wilson Garden. I need to open a shop in Pina. I need to open something in Sarjapur. It requires, and my physical involvement is required. Okay. Money. All this planning. How do I improve my business? I, John, as a owner of a shop, owner of a real estate, I need to plan. Wherever suggestion the work has to be done by me as a local vendor or local office. What Global Governor gives to premium vendor? We give a pan-India presence. Visibility is free. Post-paid sales we are giving. Sales across India. We are giving a digital platform through digital, free. We are giving sales. You can promote your product sitting in Dharwad, sitting in Hubli, sitting in Mysore. You can send product to everywhere in India. No registration fee. Any vendor can be, any product and service. Marketing plans. Mundin slide in towards there. I, as John, need to plan my business. Here, Global Gunner will help you. We will help you give some plan strategies. You want a franchisee model. You want an online. I was suggesting one of our product vendor also. You can go with the franchisee model. Physical stores, UPOS stores, shipping integrated, ShipRocket. One person, John, has got a shop somewhere in Carmel Ram, Sarjapur Road. If I go negotiate with a courier company, 70 rupees, 80 rupees per kg. Global Gunner negotiated with ShipRocket, 34 rupees per kg. I'm giving an example. All that we do. And the digital mall owners are going to be excited. Excitement namma lilla iga. We are not really excited, even though we are all UPOS owners. That excitement is not there. I am trying to talk. That excitement should come in. Okay, 10% UPOS commission. Abdul, Joseph, you are the co-host, no?
Sir?
You are the co-host also, no?
Yeah, I'll check, sir.
Yeah. Ashok, co-host ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ.
డౌట్ ఉంటే మీరు చదివిన తర్వాత డౌట్ ఉంటే కాల్ చేయండి. ఓకే, వెళ్ళి రావచ్చు.
So that is what happens. ಏನು ಜಾನ್ ಕಿರ್ಚಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಏನೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಜಾನು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ MCP RD ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾವು ನಮ್ ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹೌದಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾ,
ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಲ್ಸೇನು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ.
That is what. Yeah. He has come now. Another head principal has come now. Okay. So this is the specialty for the
Who's this,
premium
sir?
vendor. And what happens? See, you cannot go strike a deal with Big Bazaar, Reliance as a premium vendor. They will not even bother. You are going to be nurturing local business. Local resources will be utilized. For example, if you are talking about a sugar nakar, we are talking about a honey. One Ashok, one Mr. Girish, their thing, they will be utilizing their resources only. You are giving a local employment in Dharwad. I'm giving an example. You are giving a local employment in Sarjapur area when your business is growing. You are vocal for local meant. This is what my understanding is. Yarige ನೀವು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? Definitely you will be servicing, but more customers will be in Karnataka, Bengaluru, more customers. Of course, once we complete that local, we go out to other states. Self-sufficient, better customer service. For example, I have a service center. I have a real estate. Who can I give a better service? Somebody living in Bangalore or somebody living in Mumbai? For example, this insurance of Mr. Usmaniji, had it been a local insurance guy somewhere in Hyderabad, he would have given a better, just because somebody is sitting out. So we need to empower the local, better customer service when somebody is nearby, promoting entrepreneurship. And the testimonial I'm giving, VSAT, I told you, 1 crore business he got in 2 months as a premium vendor through Global Garner. I'm not talking in air. More than 1 crore, nearly 2 crores business he got already, because he onboarded himself as a premium vendor in Global Garner. There will be a pinch, 16% on kodbeka, 20% kodbeka. In turn, what he got? 2 crores business nearly. This slide was prepared a little earlier. V2Ghee, this is not only manufacturing unit, it's a big time. Ghee, on the ghee end madakagutte. See, he made a revolution. He's onboarded as a premium vendor. 60 orders he got in a single day through Global Garner. Whatever the business he got is separate. Like that, we can do a lot of change. You not only onboard, you can help them give. See, these are the categories who can be premium vendors. Any shop, establishment, service who are ready to pay 20%. Ega 16% time being. Native product, food and beverage, sweets, oils, spices, agriculture, tourism, health. This is, we are talking about equipments, manufacturing, textiles, leather, rope, industrial supplies, solar, handicrafts. They're all there one. Catering, photography, videography, choreography, event managements, digital marketing, coaching, training, tuition. All these guys can give 20%. Don't go to a real estate guy and tell you give me 20%. Don't go to an electric car manufacturing guy, give me 20%. Don't go and talk to a loan guy, give me 20%. It's a waste of time. But these are the categories: consultants, insurance, professional, CAs, architects, valuator. I'm throwing idea. Doctors and lawyers can give. Doctors are getting about 20%. Hospitals are getting good. So these are the categories you can. I'm giving one example of earning one marriage function. This is for UPOS earning I'm talking about. Just think, these are all the things I've taken. Invitation need to be given for a marriage. It could be in your family, your relative, your community, or known people. Invitation, marriage hall need to be. Without marriage hall, it cannot happen. Bridal makeup, photography, floral, wedding cake, stage decoration, saree and dress, catering, silver jeweler articles. I have not included gold. Sweet, return gifts, furniture, beds, honeymoon trips, accommodation, event management. All this I put it, my thought, a marriage, this involved. Any marriage can happen without any of this. Approximately, you see the values that I put in. See the earnings of a UPOS. One the Maduve function, if you are able to coordinate and get it done, 2,30,000. Now, why did I put all this? I'll tell you. I'm going into my UPOS. One of you can read it out one by one. One of you, who will do that role? This presentation is invitation. You want to get, for example, Kishore wanted to do a invitation printed. It could be for, of course, not for him, for his son or his family member. Printing. Do you see here? So many printings are there. So many printing guys are there. Premium vendor, 10% done. Marriage hall, Kalyana Mandapa need not go to premium vendor. You go to the regular vendor. They're giving 15% commission, not 10%. 15% commission. Bridal. See, you got photography. Everything I took it from the premium vendor. See, Karnataka also is there, Tamil Nadu also is there. Photography. And then I'm talking about floral. I want to practically show you. Okay. I think they put it as flowers or decoration. Yes, wedding decoration, see. And stage decorators, wedding cake. Cake and all you put in, you get plenty. Okay. In terms of catering, food or catering only you can put in. There are few, especially for functions. See, catering is there. And silver jewelry article, silver article. See? So everything is there. If not in your locality, you need to onboard them in your locality. Benefit is for you, no? Sweets. In terms of, trips or furniture you're talking about. Why I am showing it is this. I want you to realize furniture. Everything is available. Global Gunner has given everything. It is like the full elephant. They have made it in front of you. But you want to only touch the leg and say, hey, come on. GG is only like a trunk. GG is like one, this one. You're touching the tail and then telling, no. GG is only like a rope. No, there is a lot more. So you need to do that work in terms of, you see the furniture we have seen. Honeymoon trips, travels. You see so many travels and packages you will have. See? And accommodation, rooms, or hotels, lodging.
Travel, how much is giving? Travel?
10% UPOS commission. Okay. Trips you can. Like that, I have taken it from the UPOS only. I have taken it from the UPOS premium vendor only. Package, see? Literally, I took it from there only. Event managers you're talking about. There are two ways of looking at it. One, those guys, but then there are very few. Ali, you know, Tamil Nadu or few places which is not in Karnataka. What is stopping you to add? You show that. See, that furniture guy is giving 25%. You approach somebody in Hyderabad, approach somebody in Pina, approach somebody in Carmel Ram, a furniture shop. Hey, adala kodakagala. You show him, no. There is a furniture guy who is already giving. See, this is how it is. Okay, so aggressively we need to take it up. I'm not talking to 550 of my UPOS owners. I'm talking to 12 or 13, 15 of my UPOS owners. So this is what happens. You identify 6 such marriages in a year. Pratyan Disano Beda. Every day I don't want marriages. Now Mr. Kishore will get idea. That's a good idea. Okay. 6 in a year. Not your family, neighborhood, your community, your friends, network, wherever it is. 2 lakh per event. 12 lakhs is your UPOS earning. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಕೇವಲ ಮದುವೆ or ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ or ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ 12 ಲಕ್ಷ earn ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆದಾಯ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. It's up to you to earn or leave it ignore and sit with 1,000, 2,000. Choice is yours. Are we able to? You take a function, you take a catering, you take up anything, and all these numbers are given is very, very conservative number. Very, very conservative number. You don't get a marriage hall in Bangalore for anything less than 4 to 5 lakhs. Today now, because of the COVID, there can be little. Now, another one, you make a pharmacy a vendor, premium vendor. 1,000 customers per day, 30 days, 1,000 rupees. Average pharmacy ticket size has gone from 1,000 to almost 1,500 today, post-COVID. I have taken a conservative number of 1,000. You make him a premium vendor. 30 lakhs. You as a UPOS owner will get 10%. 3 lakhs Bharathanam. Correct? As a ACP user earning 5.5%. 26,000 again. Normal vendor, you get 9,900. You make him a premium vendor, this is high. You see so much. You make one pharmacy, one product, like our sugar knocker, like, homemade products. Make one pharmacy, and through your UPOS, the trading need to happen. Every day, one pratyam thinglu is to, you take 10% out of it. Why would my UPOS will be sitting with 1,000 and 2,000? 10% tagolli, 3,000 irbekalla. Are we able to understand? Okay, this is a volume game. 30 days, 100 customers, so much volume. Value, one photographer, videographer, you make him a premium vendor through your knowledge. You don't sell him a UPOS. You give your UPOS. You do a trading. Nan business kodtini, pratyonda transaction should happen through my UPOS. Okay. 10 event in a year. See? Or 10 events. You see the kind of volume that you're getting. See the kind of an earning. I mean, it can be made even 10 events per month also. Choice is yours. So this is value, this is volume. This is ticket size is small. Here, every event they charge 2 lakhs. Ideally, this should be per month. You can, because a photographer cannot be doing 10 events in a year, no? The previous only copy pasted, so I think probably. So 10 events. There are photographers who do 5 events in a day, 3 events in a day. Correct? Small tickets. 2 lakhs minimum they charge. Printing and everything. Videography, photography, lamination, charisma, what not they do. 2 lakhs is a very big, small ticket. Now, you as a UPOS owner, you see an opportunity of earning 2 lakhs per month. 3 lakhs per month. Your one-time effort. Instead of just keep cribbing, and UPOS ali earning illa, madakakta illa, what we keep telling, instead of cursing darkness, light a candle, light a match. Like that, pharmacy photograph, or whoever it is, one hotel one catering service hotel guy may not give, but a catering guy can give you 15-16% commission easily, 20%. Okay, so these are the things what we need to. Benefits of a premium vendor. Whatever the premium vendor pain points, we take care. Global Ghana takes care. Digital irbodu, promotion irbodu, creatives irbodu. We assure customer acquisition and retention. Nimma pain points and all, Global Ghana takes care. I am there to take care. Global Ghana means Joseph talks, I am there to take care. Kishore talks, you tell them, Nanidini, I am there to take care. Visibility across India. 1,500 people, 1,500 UPOS in Karnataka. Everybody will. 10%, 150 people promote. One business in 1 month. 150 business, you can give it to a premium vendor, no? Are we able to understand what I'm trying to tell? I'm not telling all 1,500 UPOS need to. 10%. You take 5%. Forget about 1%. 15 business you can give it to a photographer in a month. Is it not possible? Premium vendors, UPOS owners can refer 1% of UPOS owners give sale. Such is the business a photographer will get. 10,000 across India, not only Karnataka, Bangalore, local. 10,000 premium vendors, UPOS owners are there. 1%, 100 transactions. Free digital package, postpaid, all this you know. So why I am taking it up little more stronger? Benefits as a digital mall owner. See, you're getting 10%. GG coins 100% barta ide. You are the referring vendor. As an ACP, you're getting 5.5. You see, this is the opportunity. You can earn more than 1 lakh per month. As a leader, you can convert. For example, you onboarded a premium vendor. You gave him a business 1 month. He got 20 customers more. Can't you make him a UPOS owner? Kushi, istapat martare. Correct. Then you can make him a Go-Gyara person. You create a leader. Let him become a partner. Let him become an ACP. Keep going. I think today's session I was a little tough because there is always a big question mark. UPOS, Jana, Eldro, what is the earning in it? Nothing. I am not telling you need to pay from your pocket. No, never. I am teaching you how you can make your UPOS earn. Your suggestion and inputs, please. I want you people to talk. Madakagata, can we take it as a resolution? I want 10 UPOS owners to show 1 lakh earned.
1 lakh in a month or what, sir?
1 lakh in a day also, I'll be happy. I gave you
Yes,
an
sir.
example. One photographer, one event, one marriage. It can happen tomorrow, it can happen in a week, it can happen in a month. You want to take it up 1 year? I got no problem.
Sir, this premium is 16%. How long it will be, sir?
It is, maximum till Diwali. We are actually requesting and extending them.
Yeah.
I'm requesting them and extending, but I'm not very sure. The faster we make use, it's better.
There is having one tile showroom in HBR layout. I'm trying with them.
Ah,
Speaking with today or tomorrow, I'll speak.
okay.
He's ready to give for premium vendors for 16%. If it's
Okay.
possible today or tomorrow, I'll speak with them.
Who's that? What
Tycoon
type of a
Traders.
brand are they?
Tiles showrooms.
Tiles.
Tile supply.
Very good, very
Yeah.
good. Okay,
Sanitary and
okay,
CP fitting supplies.
okay. See, there is one more. I just wanted to I showed this also in my presentation. Few other things, of course, I can now. Power of UPOS is the slide that I gave. Okay, I don't want to run through the presentation. I'll only give you like this. You need to promote is what I'm telling. I gave an example also. An ice cream wala, what he will do he will tell regular, vanilla, strawberry. On ice cream, what we tell 20 crore product and service, 20 crore product and service. You need to showcase all these brands. You need to name. Okay, unless and until you tell, nobody is going to come into your shop. Nobody is going to make use of your service. Tiles, cement, building material, cloth, gold, central mall, fab. You need to name. Matadake kastapatre, how will customer come searching for your friend? If this ice cream guy does not take a print and put it there, or a waiter does not come and ask, show the menu, sir, what do you want? Will any walk-in be there? Will they order? Like that, we need to start promoting. Okay. Now, these are the things what you need to have your own group. Yesterday also I asked, create promos, generate UGG vouchers. These are all the methods. I'll have a separate session on this. These are the premium brands. I'm again coming back to, you need to do brands which are more than 5%, even in mega brands, best shopping website also. You need to take institutional things. Okay, with the help of, one of our team, one moment. We are onboarding 1 lakh doctors and hospitals. Hare, who asked you to wait? Who is holding you? Somebody holding your neck and telling, don't do it. Hare, my friend who was there running at this one battery shop, now he's a GG vendor. Not miss there. Tomorrow it will be the same story. Regret will be there. Somebody else will come and take. So please, you put it through promos. Okay. Insurance, hospital, companies, schools, have a systematic approach. Have an inauguration. You create a small Zoom meeting for yourself. I'm inaugurating my digital mall. Invite 50 people, 100 people, like you inaugurate a shop, office. One of you take an initiative, I'll come and help you. Don't call your GG friends and colleagues. No. Don't call your ACPs. Don't call your CPs. Don't call your UPOS owners. Call your relatives and friends. You have inauguration. You'd let me know. I'll help you. Open a UPOS store. Small action into. Now, I don't know if this is the slide. Yeah, this is the slide. You see, 2 minutes and I'll finish off. There is somebody who did 581 transactions. He has earned 39,000. Okay. There is somebody who did about 32 transactions only. He earned 28,000. See the difference. 581 madidare, 39,000. Just 32 transactions. It is 89 transactions. I'm giving few cases. These are all UPOS earnings. 50 transactions, 28. There is somebody who did 63 and earned 15,000. So what does it mean? 1.5% is his earning from the transaction. 1.9, 3 point. There are people who are also getting 3.2. Lesser trading, higher earning. Here, what we call donkey's job. I'm sorry for using. Me also. Because we started 1.5 year, 1 year before. We did not know premium vendor. We did not know the technology. We did not have a lot of support. Today, things are different. You can even do more than this. Okay. Now, 74 transaction. See here, 26,000. 153 again, 13,000. 81 transaction it is. 125, 61,000. See here. There is somebody who has earned 1,16,000. See here. So which means it is possible 24%. You pick and choose 14%, 15%. I don't want that 1.6. I want all of you to be in this category, or at least the slide of this. 5% ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು earn ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. That is how you are going to be smart. These are all screenshots what I've taken from various UPOSs. Okay, so this is how you need to be. These are the testimonials. If you want, I can play. Is my
Assistant Director from Tamil Nadu GG. Digital Mall என்னோட 40,000 rupees earning பத்தி ஒரு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்ண வந்திருக்கேன். இது எப்படி என்னால சாத்தியமாச்சுன்னா என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ரிலேட்டிவ் 150 கஸ்டமர் 150 மெம்பர்ஸ் வந்து நான் இந்த டிஜிட்டல்
He's talking about adding customers. 150 customers he added in UPOS. He has earned 60 to 70,000. This guy will speak in English. He is the guy who made 1 lakh. No great professional, no MBA, no engineering, ordinary person. You listen to him, he also speaks in Tamil.
வணக்கம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். நான் உங்கள் மரம் சிங்காரவேல். குளோபல் கார்னரில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நான் கடந்த ஜூன் 2020 எனக்கு மை எம்சிபி ஜேடிஸா ஒரு மந்திர திறவுகோல் தான் சொல்லணும். ஏன்னா நம்ம
UPOS is a treasure. Akshaya Patra. He is telling in Tamil. Okay.
என்ன அங்கே ஒர்க்கை போடுறோமோ அதுக்கு மேலே நமக்கு வருமானம் கிடைக்குங்க. அதுக்கு உதாரணம்
little effort. It is not GG will UPOS will give the same return. It will give multi-folds. That is what he's telling. You put in 5% of effort, you will get rewarded 50%. So like this, we have got live example. Why not you and me? That is my question. Okay. So friends, we have got such a powerful tool, UPOS. You and me are keeping it only as a software. Imagine instead of you going and talking on UPOS Tagoli, Bunny, investment Madi, just show, I've earned 2 lakhs in month. I've earned 1 lakh in month. I've earned 50,000 in month, spending 1 hour, 2 hours in a day. Don't you feel people will stand in a queue to buy UPOS? I want your feedbacks and suggestions, please. I'm not going to talk for the next 2 to 3 minutes. I want 12 of you to talk. What do you think about UPOS earning? Can we do? Is it possible? What is your plan? One by one, you can unmute and talk.
So, yes, John, so we can do it. We start trading in more products which give a higher commission.
Okay, Kevin is not joined, is it today? Okay, all right. Others.
And start adding more users also.
So first thing I want you to do is get your users and promote and what I taught yesterday. Second thing is pick and do the product and services. If you want, you need to come back and ask me. Why don't you help a product that moves in? Why don't? Now, for example, I'm talking about Sugar Knocker. Today it will be up, hopefully before tonight. Most of the people are, affected with, diabetic. I'm giving an example. Most of them want in some clothing or sweets or anything. You identify and start working. Others, only Joseph says he can do. Others don't want to.